P0102, mass or volume airflow circuit low input. So first off, let's talk about what that means. This code is related to the mass airflow sensor, usually called the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures how much air is entering the engine so the computer knows how much fuel to inject. When the computer reports low input, it means the signal coming from the MAF sensor is lower than expected. In other words, the sensor is telling the computer that very little air is entering the engine. If that reading doesn't match what the engine should actually be pulling in, the computer sets the P0102 code. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, inspect the air intake system. Make sure the air filter isn't extremely dirty or clogged. A heavily restricted air filter can reduce airflow and affect the readings from the MAF sensor. Also check that the intake duct between the air filter box and the throttle body is properly connected and not collapsed or blocked. Second, check the MAF sensor itself. These sensors can get dirty over time from dust, dirt or oil from aftermarket oiled air filters. When the sensing element gets coated, it can underreport airflow. Removing the sensor and cleaning it with proper MAF sensor cleaner can sometimes fix the issue. It's important not to use carb cleaner or brake cleaner, since those can damage the sensor. Third, inspect the wiring and connector at the MAF sensor. Look for loose connections, damaged wires, or corrosion in the connector. Since the sensor relies on a precise electrical signal, even small wiring issues can cause incorrect readings. Fourth, check for vacuum leaks or air leaks after the MAF sensor. Any air entering the engine that doesn't pass through the MAF sensor won't be measured. That can confuse the computer and lead to airflow readings that don't make sense. Fifth, verify the sensor is receiving proper power and ground. If the sensor isn't getting the correct voltage supply or ground signal, it may send a low signal back to the computer. If everything else checks out, the MAF sensor itself may have failed. Over time, the internal electronics can wear out and begin sending incorrect readings. A good general order when diagnosing P0102 would be: inspect the air filter and intake ducting, clean the MAF sensor, check the wiring and connector, look for vacuum or intake leaks, verify power and ground to the sensor, and replace the MAF sensor if necessary. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a dirty MAF sensor, intake leaks, or wiring issues near the sensor. That's pretty much it for this one.